Hello everyone. I'm creating this video for you guys this is the roadmap video of the mathematics in the domain of the machine learning, deep learning and artificial intelligence. If you guys are targeting like AI engineer kind of the job role, so this roadmap is essential for you guys. So why the mathematics needed in the AI ML domain? Whenever you deep dive into some in the artificial intelligence domain, so representing data and some evaluating your evaluating the model performance. So there are some of the advanced algorithms we need to understand the where the mathematics is a essential part of our journey. So I created this roadmap into the phases. Like this is the phase 1 and phase 2, and this is the phase 3, phase 4, and some of the extra things I put it so you guys easily understand. I'm creating this roadmap in very detailed way so you guys are understand in the foundations. So you need to here the core mathematics kind of the things comes into the picture, what will be the arithmetic number sense, like algebra basics kind of the things comes into the picture, and the coordinate geometry kind of the things comes into the picture. In the second phase you will learn the linear algebra kind of the things, this is a very essential subject. Linear algebra you already learned before in the 11th standard, in the 12th standard as well. And here the core topics you will learn like what is the scalars, what is my vectors, matrices and transers, the what will be the matrix operations, the transpose, and what will be the essential concepts you will learn, what will be the dot product. So one thing remember, that while learning these concepts, so don't learn theoretically, like you need to solve some of the complex problems as well. That is needed whenever you are solving the problems. So choose the easy problem, then after moving slowly into the medium problem, and then after the complex problems. So like your understanding will be clear. Although I will discuss these of the concepts in this channel, so you need to stay in this channel as well. I will deep dive this mathematics kind of the things, very deep dive later on of my videos as well. And after that the geometric intuitions comes into the picture, what will be the directions, what will be the length norm, what will be the projection kind of the things you will learn, and what will be the basis, what will be the transformation, like a linear maps, like rotations kind of the terminologies comes into the pictures. And why it matters in AIML. So in the third steps you will learn what will be the calculus. This is also a very essential topics you will learn, I mean, for targeting the AI engineer kind of the job role. Like in the calculus you need to learn, like in the single variables, in a single variable calculus, like what is limits, what is derivatives, what is slope and rate of change, and what will be the maxima and minima. After that slowly moving into the what will be the multi variable calculus. Here you will learn partial derivatives kind of the things, the gradients, the directional intuitions. And after that integration basics. Yeah, in the integration part you only need to learn the basic part, not to move it to the advanced level concepts. So here you will learn the area under curve, accumulations and expectations, intuitions kind of the things. So these kind of the things I also added, why it matters in the AIML domain. So like for the back propagation, this back propagation techniques is comes into the deep learning section. So I will discuss each and every key concept, each and everything in detail. So in the fourth step, we will learn the probability kind of the things and statistics kind of the things as well. These both topics is very important. These concepts are also helpful for the if you are targeting the data analytics kind of the job role as well. For understanding data, this concept is necessary to learn. In the foundations, you will learn the sample spaces, events, and what will be the outcomes. There are some of the formulas I also added in this section. So after that, the random variables kind of the things, the probability density functions you will learn, like a cumulative distribution function that you will learn, and the important distribution like the Bernoulli, the binomial distributions, like the normal distributions. These are the things you will learn. After that, in the statistics part, you will learn the descriptive statistics. For the data understanding, you will learn what is the outliers, what is the skewness. These are the outliers. So you will learn. After that, in the inferential statistics, you will learn what is the sample, what is the population kind of the things. You will learn what is the p value. Now in the further steps, we will learn optimization and the numerical methods. What it means, here the core methods and some optimization basics comes into the picture. like uh, what is the loss function, what is the global minima, what is the local minima kind of the things. And in the core methods, you will learn what is the gradient descent kind of the things, what is the learning rate kind of the things, and what is the batch gradient descent. These kind of the things you will learn. And these are the very essential topics, for understanding the logistic or regression kind of the things, and what is the difference between the linear regression and logistic regressions. So if you want to understand the linear the relationship between the difference between the linear regression and logistic regression, so you need to master these of the concept as well. After that, there are three numerical methods also comes into the picture, like a numerical stability and some of the regularizations idea, like what is the L1 and L2 regularizations kind of the things. And then we will move into the next step, what the machine learning specific mathematics. I just previously I had taught to you, what is the linear function, what is the polynomial intuitions, what is the sigmoid activation function. These are the activation function. What is the Euclidean distance, what is cosine similarity. These kind of the things you will learn very briefly. And in the final steps, you will learn the deep learning specific mathematics, the neural networks mathematics, where the weights and biases comes into the picture. Here also the activation functions, like the sigma or maybe the ReLU name activation functions you will learn. And also the some advanced probability ideas, likelihood, like entropy intuitions, KL divergence intuitions you will learn. And the vector space ideas you will learn, like the embedding systems, like attention intuitions kind of the things you will learn very briefly. So these all things I will share in the PDF format as well. And after also I will discuss each and every topic related to the mathematics, essential for the machine learning and deep learning and the artificial intelligence as well, briefly in the upcoming videos as well. So make sure to hit the like button, and also you need to stay in this channel, because these concepts are very huge. So you don't learn in a single video, don't able to learn in a single video. You need to solve multiple complex kind of the problems as well to understanding these concepts. So let me know in the comment section as well as what are the topics you wanted to know about, that I will make in the future very soon. And Thank you for my side, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.